Hey, you guys, what's going on? Welcome to Showtime with Shelly. If it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And leave me a comment below if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future. So I'm just going to jump right on in because I don't like wasting time. For those of you guys who stopped by, you're here to see my initial unboxing and thoughts on the Ordinary product. Here's a box. Very clean, sleek design. So for those of you guys who follow my channel, you know that I absolutely love Japanese skincare products. I think Japanese skincare is definitely ahead of the wave, and they do a really good job at coming up with a lot of new things, just as technology is changing constantly. But one of my co-workers that I love so much uses the Ordinary products, and her skin is banging, y'all. She does not wear any makeup, and she is absolutely gorgeous. No imperfections, no flaws in her skin, no nothing. So when she told me what she was using, I was like, okay, cool, let me do some research. So I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the products that I did purchase and why I purchased them. So I'm just gonna jump right on in. Okay, so first and foremost, guys, I am no skincare expert, and I do not claim to be. I'm only talking to you guys about these products as a result of what I feel is going to work for me. If it doesn't work for me, then within the next 4 weeks or so, I'll come back and I'll do a review and let you guys know how my skin held up and throw in some good before and after pictures. So the first product that I purchased was the tongue twister. Glycolic Acid 7% Toning Solution. So I decided to purchase this product because you always need a toner. It doesn't matter what you're doing. If you are doing any type of skincare routine, you always are going to want a toner so that it absorbs, it assists in better absorption of the products that you're going to put on. I do plan on using this Glycolic Acid toner at night, as you really only should be using an acid toner on your face once daily. And for me, I just feel as though using it at night will be a lot better, because the toner that I use during the daytime is a Japanese toner, and it's hyaluronic acid, and it's just very gentle on my skin, and it's more hydrating than anything else. But with this one, I know this one is going to assist in lightening some of my dark spots and potentially even helping with my acne. So I only really want to use this once a day on my face because I don't want any breakouts. But we'll see what happens. You know, maybe I can handle it twice a day. I don't know. I know, I think it does say that you can use it twice, but you know, to each his own, right? It came with this really cute little nozzle too. I guess you put this on the top of it. So that's cute. I'm excited to use that. I also got their AHA and BHA peeling solution. The reason why, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a really wild purple color to it. Very, very loud and wild, but I like it. Okay, this one I decided to go with because they said it's a 10-minute exfoliating facial. I already use a Japanese exfoliator, but I'm always open to trying something new. This is AHA and BHA, which is what is it? I believe it's like salicylic acid or something. I can't even pronounce it. But I did do my research on it, and I know that I probably shouldn't be using that in combination with the Glycolic Acid toner. So I'll definitely do that one once a week on days in which I'm not using any of the toner, once or twice a week in days in which I'm not using any of the toner, as I do believe it can cause some irritation. I'd highly encourage anybody who's interested in Ordinary products to do your research on what items can be mixed, because I know some cannot be mixed, and with any acid that you're putting in your face, you always want to be careful, even though the formulas do seem to be a bit gentle. The last two items that I purchased were the Lactic Acid. This is another one that I do plan on using at nighttime, as I don't know, my girlfriend, I was asking her on what order she uses these in, and she said she uses her Lactic Acid at night. And like I said, her skin is the bomb, y'all. Like, I wish I could insert a clip of her skin into this video so that you guys could be believers. And then I also purchased the I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. I'm just gonna show you guys the box because I done slaughtered it and you guys wouldn't be able to find it. But I just want you guys to see what I did purchase, so that if you are at all interested in any of these products, you can have, you know, you can have a little visual, you know, a little visual aid. So these are the 4 products that I purchased from The Ordinary. And I will be coming back to you guys probably within the next 4 weeks. I like to give products 4 weeks before I actually do a review, because I think it's fair. And you want to give your skin like some time to adjust. So I'll be back in 4 weeks to talk to you guys about those products. Once again, thanks so much for stopping by. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you guys want to see more videos like these in the future. Have a good one.